Hello, I'm driving my 50cc motorcycle from the Netherlands to China. In this video I'll start in Bulgaria and will end up here. And what here is, you'll see in the end of the video. Enjoy. It's the next morning. I slept alright, but my back is hurting a little bit. I am in Greece. The weirdest place Google Maps sent me to. Because I'm meant to cross this river and look at this. In case of floods, do not pass, turn around. So now I have to do 5 kilometers back. Oh. I'm in Turkey. Hello everyone. Today I was at the hostel and I met Shingo, my Japanese friend. And he's an amazing guy. He 40 years ago, he went with his motorcycle and traveled around the whole world. And also he went from the east to the west of America walking, running. And now he is walking, traveling. He is 62 years old. And now I have to ask him, Shingo, what did you learn from all your travels?
Culture is different, but people is the same, I think, and world.
Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Adamını beni orta yerinden çatlatıyor. Ağzımda sakızı şişirip arsız patlatıyor. Biz böyle mi gördük babamızdan?
Hello people, we're now in Çorlu and we have a host from Couchsurfing here, my friend Deniz, right?
Yeah, Deniz.
Yes.
My name is Deniz.
And he made some food for us and we're gonna enjoy.
Very good job. Full protein, bro.
Yes,
This is for you.
yes.
This is for you because you are traveler. You need good energy, full power.
Yes,
Full
thank
power.
you. Hello people. Every time I meet someone, a Turkish person, I say my name Yarik, and it's very weird in Turkish. Let Dennis explain what is the name. What is it? What is the meaning of Yarik in Turkish?
Yeah, penis.
Yes.
Yeah, we say yarak.
Yes.
Yarik. Yarak, but when you say yarak, this is very dangerous. Be careful, okay? Because we say yarak for penis.
This man has Hollandale on his arm. He has never been to the Netherlands. He's never been here, so he doesn't even speak one word. But he likes weed, so that's just why he has it on his on his arm.
Motoru kaldır biraz ya. Allah'ım tamam gel. Gel. Tutun çünkü tutun. Deniz. Fransız tutun arkadan. Tutun abi. Gel. Kaldır. Arkaya kaldır. Arkaya kaldır. Ağır mı o kadar ya?
O bir arkaya geçsin.
Arkaya abi komple şey. Oradan değil de bıraksın. Oya. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good job.
Easy.
Yeah.
My friend.
Yeah.
My friend.
My friends. Abi.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, but two
Yes.
times.
Yeah,
nice to meet you. Have a nice trip.
Yes, thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah.
Thank you for everything and
you're welcome.
God bless.
Yeah, welcome bro. Come again.
Rezil olduk. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak. Dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidi fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderin püsküllü belam.
Hello, I'm 50 kilometers away from Istanbul. Some Turkish people, or people might say, the capital of the world because of its historical impact and everything. Now for me it's more important because it's the way where I go from Europe to Asia. When I cross the bridge in Istanbul from the European part to Asia, and finally can say I drove my moped to Asia. So I'm curious about that. And I will stay again with someone from Couchsurfing. Fucking Istanbul is home of 15 million people. And if 15 million people are living in the Turkish city, you get a crazy traffic and it's not fun driving around. And the crazy part is sometimes you just see a cyclist on the side of the big road. I am in Istanbul. The traffic was crazy. I was scanning like Messi the whole fucking day, but I'm here finally and safe and alive.
Gidip kıran yılanı deliğinden çıkaran kaderim püsküllü belam yakalarsam.
This is Europe, this is water, and this is me in Asia. In Istanbul I will do maintenance for my scooter, and then afterwards I will drive to this part, the Asian side. I drive all along the Black Sea, and I've heard it looks amazing there, so I'm excited. They don't really listen to that. This time I'm not in the shop for my exhaust, just for maintenance. So I did some the garage did some maintenance on the scooter, and they basically said for a bunch of stuff, oh yeah, it's not really needed. It's the parts that are still there, they're okay. The brake pads they changed because it was needed, and this is probably the most important thing for me because braking is super important, especially when I go downhill. But at home they would have said, yeah, oh, this needs to be changed and this needs to be changed and you have to spend 300 euros. But here it's like, no, this is still okay, this is still okay. And they really helped me, so I'm glad. Now that's done, I can play tourist again.
Ağzının sakızı şişirip arsız arsız patlatıyor. Biz böyle mi gördük babamızdan, eli güne rezil oldu. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran kaderim püskül belam yakalarsam.
Okay, so I'm sitting in the park. Just went to one of the biggest bazaars in the world. I cannot comprehend this concept because you're all just sitting there selling the same shitty products. I don't understand from a business point of view, like how can you even make money of this? They're probably all doing some dodgy things at the side, and this is just a way to wash their money. And after I went to some touristy places, and I didn't want to wait in line to see some palace, some building, and to pay, so I just walked around and saw a little bit of the city. I am drinking a lot of chai, a lot of tea these days. I like it. Boys and girls, I've been staying in Istanbul for 3 days. Now the scooter looks like this again. all the bags on it. Got my backpack. You know what that means? I'm going away again. Today I'm going eastwards towards Izmit, and there I'm going to stay with another couchsurf person. A lot of free stays lately. That's nice, and it's nice to meet some Turkish local people. And yeah, see what happens. I left early today. I left late today because I'm lazy. I'm now at the Asian side with my scooter. Come on. I finally can say that I drove my Piaggio Zip 50cc from the Netherlands to Asia. Fucking hell. After a long day of driving in the Turkish traffic, I'm going to chill here at the park and then stay at a Turkish home of a couple that's quite old, and it's going to be good. I know it already, because the Turkish people are nice. Turk. You know what bloody time it is. I am driving again, this time towards the Black Sea, and I have been chilling in Izmit. I've been binge watching Peaky fucking Blinders. So yes, I don't know why I have already watched it, but I don't know. I'm watching it again on this trip and now I have this view, boys and girls. Wow! I am very happy that I'm now out of the traffic of Istanbul. The 100 kilometers before and after Istanbul, they were not nice. It was not too chaotic, but it was just tiring. On my drive today, this little case it's not really good secured, so now it was sort of open, and I went over a bump and my sleeping mat went flying 2 meters in the sky, but it was a very busy one-way road, so there was no possibility for me to stop. So then I took the first exit, went around to the same place, and it was gone. So now I have to buy a new sleeping mat, I guess. Today I did 150 kilometers and I'm still doing 70 more. I'm doing a big day because I've been lazy last few days. I've chilled around with some people, but now I have to move again. I have driven 225 kilometers today with my little thingy. Oh, I'm so proud of him. Oh. One flat tire later, I am here. I asked a request from Couchsurf, and I will stay at the front of this person's house because they have guests. So this is very kind. I went to a scooter garage to ask if it is possible to do an upgrade. But they basically advised me to not do an upgrade. I thought maybe because I got to Asia on a 50cc scooter, maybe I deserved the upgrade. But I think I don't have enough XP. So yeah.
Sevgi kıran yılanı deliğinden çıkaran kaderim püskül belam. Yakalarsan seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam. Yakalarsan.
Every time I'm in a country, there's happen to be the national holiday. Today there's the national holiday of Turkey. They are celebrating Atatürk, the father of Turkey. I am now here and will be ending this video, of course, with a quote. And with a quote, this time from Atatürk, the goat of Turkey. The quote goes, "Peace at home, peace in the world."